What's good, Melanin Mafia? It's your favorite Melanin Queen back on the Melanin Seafood. You guys, she's having seafood. I have been feeding for this for the past couple days, and I'm about to go in. And I got some of this twisted sauce on the side. It's all clumped up. I gotta mix it up. But I basically, oh yeah. I basically have the look at it. You see it. The crab legs. I just got crab legs, sausage, potatoes, eggs that I boiled myself because they charge $1.50 for one egg. You can buy a whole dozen. $1.50. So no, thank you, no sir, no. So yeah, I am ready to go in. Camera so far already, my. I'm gonna make a mess. I already know. I'm gonna buy his grave. Hey, I got things around there since yesterday. Somebody doesn't feel good today. That on camera. But they're here. Is this extreme love? What's this called? Obsession, my weird obsession or something? Yeah, my strange addiction. No, we're looking at my strange addiction. This down here is a addicted to pulling hair out the tub. Y'all right now I got my seagulls on deck. I was testing to see, because I know how to eat my food without getting it all over my face. So I was testing to see if I did what I see these people on YouTube do, would it drip down my face? And it dripped. So I'm like, that's what they're doing. Because I'm like, how do they always have food dripping down their face? Like, how do you... Y'all gotta give me a minute. I gotta get some food in me.
It feels like a huge weight off my shoulders. I'm a very strong person and I think
I don't know how you feel about really go on TV to say this stuff. Like, you went on TV to tell people you can drywall.
it's either me or the drywall.
What?
It's gonna be me.
What? What?
The only drywall in my kitchen will be in my house.
Girl, first of all, you is the police. You said, did I tell you?
No, I said, would you?
No, it's none of their business. You are the police. See what I mean?
They paying you. They paying you to do that.
You're the police.
Say nothing.
You want to say it?
I'm not.
Police.
I'm asking you.
No thanks. Gas do smell good though.
No, it does not.
What?
No.
I not to the point of having it at my bed, but it smells good. Like permanent marker.
First of all, gasoline eats through like plastic bottles and stuff, and she got it sitting in there in the plastic bottle.
I don't even know how to explain how it smells. I just love the smell of it. How it makes my nose feel inside the back of my throat.
Why you eating the smell? You don't think gas smells good? What's an odd? You learn about making permanent marker.
No. I don't like fingernail powder remover and none of that stuff.
That one ain't good.
And you don't like it, go upstairs.
Oh, excuse me. Whew. Oh man. So no weird smells good to you? Nothing that's like, aside from smelling goods type of stuff.
I fight over it, and leave them tacked up on my steering wheel of my car, even outside my purse sometimes.
The bitch got members on because she's sniffing gasoline.
The past 6 years I've had major stomach problems, I've had anemia problems. Think about the gasoline killing her, it makes me learn.
Probably all kinds of problems. Just like her.
It's creepy.
I never
She walking KBS. Oh my.
They're very nice, but they don't go with
Y'all, so tonight,
things, hard, things.
hold on.
Anywhere that I go, they go. That's as if it wasn't for me.
Oh no.
And I don't leave them in the car by themselves. That wouldn't be right either.
Krista cares for 12 teddy bears as though they were real children. She dresses them in different outfits, sits them at the table for meals.
First of all, we looked at the Ready to Love finale.
Krista is unable
Part 1 gave you more than part 2 did.
to medical.
It hurts. You know,
But
all I ever wanted to do was be a mother.
Ready to Love, Ready to Love Huntsville. Martell side chick posted a subliminal thing on Instagram. Then Martell said he gonna make a video to tell his truth. Excuse me. Then Melody said she wanna post a video and they gonna sit down and talk together or something, or she gonna say her side because it ain't gonna be no one-sided. So somebody that's a mutual friend, like that's unbiased, it's supposed to be going live on YouTube tonight. And they're both supposed to be sitting down and talking. It seems weird that this is what they're doing. Like, is this some kind of TV thing or some publicity thing? I don't know, but I'm watching. Period. I plan to be up. I don't think I'm gonna be sleeping. Oh, come on. Okay. Hope everybody's Christmas was good. Have a happy New Year. So by the time y'all see this, it's gonna be well after Christmas now, or New Year. Yeah.
You got some on deck? You got some on deck?
Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh, you can't see nothing. She's molesting me, y'all. Please. No. Tap it out. Bite you.
I'm trying.
The Pink Fix underwear offers your best comfort and protection guarantee.
Okay.
Because perfect or not, life's better than working anywhere at the time. Okay, girls, there's an elephant in our bathroom. Feminine hygiene, nobody talks about it. Summer Eve says, give us 1 week of showers. For pH balance, gynecologist test rustic freshness you'll never forget. Summer's Eve. Find your fresh. Whether
I'm gonna try to do just one egg for you. He's like, 2.
Yeah, because
I'm like,
I know I'm not gonna eat the whole bag. But then if I go to heat the bag back up, then I gotta boil another egg instead of just having the egg already in there. Huh?
You didn't get into the first egg.
Then you just spray
Oh,
all
did I?
over it.
Oops.
That's what you get.
This is my food. It's
Burned
alright.
by it was mine too.
I got sprayed over.
Yeah, you know, you yes.
Mm-mm.
It feel weird being out here.
Feel weird.
Yeah.
Damn, you be so extra.
It do. Shit. It's been
I
what?
feel weird being
Almost 2 weeks. Feel like 2 weeks.
It's back in your own space, so it shouldn't feel weird to be back in your own space.
Yeah, they've been in your space for shit a week now.
people who took certain drugs for HIV and then suffered serious injury to their
It ain't my space, it's our space. Damn it.
Oh, so then why I feel weird to be in our space? Got him.
This space don't have carpet.
Oh my goodness.
I'm serious. You don't
You cannot
understand
stand these hardwood
I
floors,
cannot.
Lord.
I despise them. I don't even know why I got this. You'll be surprised how warm, like, warming carpet is.
How warm.
How carpet brings like that homey warm feeling to the environment. So it never felt that warm. Oh wait, never. Sleep up.
That warming. I got
Warm
it.
feeling. That homey
sniffing gasoline usually about
Ouch, spit my lip.
feeling.
10 minutes. And then if I'm anxious or anything worse, my
You know, I see people eating seafood mukbangs or crab legs and stuff like that.
I'm really excited.
Well, first, I guess I'm a slow eater in general, but when they get through like a whole bunch of clusters in like a short amount of time, I've been feeling like they ain't getting all the meat or something. Like, I gotta go slow to make sure I get all the meat, because I'm not wasting nothing. What happened? But like, what?
I think greedy.
Oh, I'm greedy. I'm just not gonna be wasting my meat.
But you be
I can't
saying
be
that
doing
shit
that.
about me. Like, you eat the crab so fast. I know how to eat crab.
Oh.
I'm not a slow eater.
Baby girl.
No, ain't no wasting.
I went after you
But
that last time. It was
you
mad
ain't-
meat left.
Baby, it was not.
I put out so many.
Betty, it was a
Betty.
lot. Baby.
Who is Betty? Hello?
It was a piece of meat
Betty.
this damn big.
No.
Man, you such a...
No.
Go ahead, you got it.
It was different. Oh, really? So I'm showing off for the camera. It was multiple pieces.
Yeah, you extra as hell.
No.
But I love it. But you extra as hell. You know that?
You tried it. So it was one little thing of meat. I didn't pick up different things.
It was, you acting like you picked up a lot of meat. It was little pieces of meat. Like little pieces of meat. Little. And they weren't even in the shells. They was like meat that I done dropped in the pile.
You never know.
Like, dog.
Well, first of all, it's blue crabs. It's going to be little pieces of meat regardless.
Okay. Tend to your people.
I wish I was recording at that time because
Leave me alone. Tell my
I'm
mama.
fine.
You tell my mama. Leave me alone.
She's a 30-day-covered woman.
Police. Feel me?
Shit, believe me.
Almost like there was a time when the girl ran away and died. It's horrid.
You smell that? Can you smell it? The wall things.
Not yet.
I didn't know Jennifer was that worried about me. No, I actually know it's something that wasn't trying to help. That's why
Oh.
addiction.
See?
I don't know how to stop. I need the help. I've never asked for this. I've always do things.
There needs to be a no vape campaign.
Huh?
There needs to be a no vape campaign.
Uh,
I gotta sign up.
You sign up.
No, I mean, like, so they can stop making it and then stop selling it. I mean, it's hard time for you to stop. I mean, your lungs is filled with tar and rust and.
What's the difference from toxic people?
Then that in your lungs. Come back, y'all, the camera.
You got it on the timer?
We just do that by default. Stop, then my stuff gonna be dangling. What are you doing?
What are those beaver tails?
Doing too much. Then you be mad somebody see my nipple.
Nobody took my egg. Did you have to say it like that? You gonna dangle. And my stuff gonna be dangling. Oh shit, you hot.
There you go.
I cut the heat up.
You cut it down
I cut it up.
to make it hotter?
Yeah, it was at 73. It was cool down here when we first got here. Alexa?
Okay.
You ain't be wrapped up with the blanket talking about you food.
And I ain't gonna sleep for now. What's in this bowl?
In the boat.
Bag bowl. What's in this? Okay, keep your hands to yourself for 2 seconds. What?
When the doctor said that it was affecting my whole
What's this stuff the oysters
body,
get?
it was doing that, so it was very
You ain't even got no.
That's great.
I'm licking up my juices. How you doing? Oh, really? Ooh. Okay. Good. You're giving me comments back.
Yeah, I got Plum's butt.
Alright, y'all. So I'm going to end it here because this video will be extra long because I'm going to get through this food and it will be extra long if I kept the camera going. So I'm just going to catch y'all on the next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Mwah. Creeper. Peace.